Hi, I'd like to show you DER-956Q, which is a 1000 volt input emergency power supply for automotive applications. Let's dive right in. This is the DER-956Q board. It's a 30 to 1000 volt DC input, and through a reinforced isolated transformer delivers two outputs. One 18 volts at 555 milliamps and one at 9 volts at 333 milliamps. The 9 volt output is the emergency power supply output that enables the traction inverter to continue to operate on loss of 12 volts. And the 18 volt output is used as the power supply for the traction inverter gate drivers. We have a solid polymer capacitor used for the 18 volt output filtering, and ceramics are used for the 9 volt output. We have the synchronous rectifier MOSFET that's driven by the InnoSwitch. And the InnoSwitch itself sits on the other side of the board. And because it's a reinforced isolated safety recognized component, it's allowed to sit or bridge across the isolation barrier. And that's nice because it allows it to sit underneath the transformer or within the transformer footprint so that it doesn't require any additional board area. Heat sinking is through the source tab into this copper area with vias to transfer heat to the corresponding area on the other side of the board. Same thing is used on the secondary for the SR FET. And then a couple of noteworthy items. We have these slots. One is between drain and source, because in operation this exceeds 1000 volts. So we need extended creepage on the board. And then on the secondary side, there's a slot to increase the creepage between the 9 volt and 18 volt outputs. So that's it. That's the DER-956Q. If you'd like to evaluate the DER-956, please contact your local Power Integrations FAE or sales office, or for more information on the board itself, please go to power.com.